when your mobile money account gets locked, you are going to get a message like this. So I'm going to lock my mobile money account on purpose, and I'm going to show you how I can unlock it. So for example, if I'm checking my account balance, I dial *185 *10 hash. So choosing Airtel. So if I'm to choose option 2 and I put in a wrong pin, for example, let's say 44, and then they are saying that 3 unsuccessful attempts will lock your account. I continue, and now they are saying this is your last attempt, so I continue. I don't care. As you can see, your account is now locked. So I'm going to show you how you can be able to unlock your mobile money account without visiting any Airtel Service Center. So if your mobile money account gets locked and you are not near any service center of Airtel, or if you are not near with that person who helped you get that line, it may never get unlocked. But I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Airtel mobile money account without the need to visit any Airtel service center or first getting the person who helped you get that line. So this trick works before your Airtel money account gets locked. So if you're not near any Airtel service center, or if you're not near with that person who helped you get your line, so this trick will be helpful to you, and this is called the security question. So how do you set your security question? You are going to dial *185 *10 *1 hash. So this is the code which you first dial. So after dialing this code, you choose Airtel. So if I choose Airtel, now here they bring you these options. So you choose option 4. I'm to choose option 4 here. They like enter your pin. So if my pin was, let's say, 11, now you choose from these security questions that Airtel has already set. So for example, me, I prefer option 4 again. Let's say town of birth, and they like enter security answer. So I prefer putting Kampala. So if I put Kampala and I send, so as you can see, your security question has been modified. So I'm going to show you here if like my mobile money account gets locked. For example, if again I try to check my account balance, I dial *185 *10 hash. So if I'm to check my account balance, let's say option 2, then remember my pin was 11, but I set security question. So if I put in a wrong pin, let's say 22, and then I continue 22, and then I continue 22. So they are saying your account has been locked. So how do I unlock my mobile money account without visiting the Airtel Service Center? I just come and dial *185 hash. So now here, if you had already set your security question, this is what is going to help you to unlock your mobile money account. So here you just go on option 1, and then you just enter a new pin without going to any Airtel Service Center. Just put 1, and then you confirm with your pin. So I think you can see your account has been successfully unlocked. So if you want to be able to unlock your mobile account without visiting any service center, so make sure you set your security question. And then still, if you want to know how you can be able to change your Airtel mobile money pin, still click on the link in the comment section.